Are your Sony WF earbuds showing the wrong battery percentage? You're not alone. Many users, especially with models like the WF-1000XM4 and WF-1000XM5, have reported this issue. This video will explain why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it. The problem typically manifests as inaccurate readings, rapid battery drain, or one earbud draining faster than the other. Often, this stems from software glitches rather than a faulty battery. The inaccurate battery readings are usually caused by a desynchronization between the battery gauge and the actual charge level. Your earbuds use a Coulomb counter to track the charge. Over time, this counter can become misaligned due to rapid charging-discharging, extreme temperatures, or software bugs. Think of it like a gas gauge in a car that needs to be recalibrated. One of the most effective solutions is performing a battery reset. To do this, completely drain the battery of your earbuds until they power off. Then, fully charge them to 100% without interruption. This allows the internal gauge to recalibrate and should provide a more accurate reading. Leave the earbuds charging for an extra hour after they hit 100% to ensure a full calibration. The Sony Headphones Connect app is crucial for managing your earbuds. Ensure you have the latest version installed. Some versions of the app include a built-in battery reset feature, which automates the drain and recharge process. If you don't see this feature, the manual drain and recharge method is your next best bet. This app has had updates to V8.5 in 2025. Make sure you have the latest version. Sony regularly releases firmware updates that address various issues, including battery inaccuracies. For example, inaccurate battery readings can show wrong percentages. Check for and install the latest firmware through the Sony Headphones Connect app. Updates like version 4.2.1 for the WF-1000XM5 have been shown to significantly reduce inaccurate readings. Staying updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If the basic reset hasn't fixed the battery percentage issue, start with step 1. Ensure the earbuds are properly seated in the charging case. Each earbud should be fully inserted with the charging contacts aligned correctly. For step 2, clean the charging contacts. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the contacts on both the earbuds and the charging case. Dust or debris can prevent proper electrical contact and cause battery reporting errors. Step 3 involves trying a different USB cable and power adapter. Sometimes the issue isn't with the earbuds themselves, but with the charging accessories. Faulty cables or adapters can cause inconsistent power delivery, leading to battery calibration problems. Finally, for step 4, unpair and repair the earbuds with your device. Go into your Bluetooth settings, forget the earbuds, then put them back in pairing mode and reconnect. This refreshes the Bluetooth connection and can fix any synchronization problems with battery information. Maintaining your Sony WF earbuds battery health requires some simple preventive habits. First, avoid overcharging by disconnecting the charger once the battery reaches 100%. Lithium-ion batteries degrade faster when kept at full charge for extended periods. Second, protect your earbuds from extreme temperatures. Exposure to very hot or cold conditions can damage the lithium-ion battery cells and cause permanent capacity loss. Store and use your earbuds in moderate temperature environments between 15 and 25 degrees Celsius. Third, perform a battery reset every few months to recalibrate the battery gauge. This maintains accurate percentage readings and prevents the synchronization issues that can occur over time. Simply drain the earbuds completely, charge them back to full, then reset through the Sony Headphones Connect app. Finally, always use official Sony chargers to ensure proper charging voltage and current. Third-party or generic chargers may provide inconsistent power delivery, which can stress the battery and lead to faster degradation or inaccurate readings over time. Following these preventive measures will help maintain your earbuds' battery health, reduce the need for recalibration, and ensure accurate percentage readings for years to come. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Sony support for assistance. If your earbuds are still under warranty, you may be eligible for a repair or replacement. While Sony hasn't issued a universal recall, they do offer in-warranty support for battery-related problems. For devices purchased before 2024, This is especially important as the issue is more prevalent on those devices.